Hey Braves, my name is Marlon Medina and I'm the ASB president.
Hi Braves, my name is Noel and I'm the ASB vice president.
Hey Braves, my name is Charlene Alvarez Sanchez and I'm Commissioner Spirit.
The purpose of the Golden Apple Assembly is to recognize and award one outstanding classroom teacher for their passion and commitment to our students and campus.
This will be decided through student representatives, ASB representatives, and our principal, Mr. Sterling.
There will be 3 hens in our assembly to find out who our Golden Apple winner is. We will also be celebrating our winter sports.
Welcome to our Golden Apple Assembly.
Welcome!
The Golden Apple recipient is tall.
Hi, my name is Val.
Hi, my name is Sohel, and we're the captain of wrestling team.
Please come support us at our duels. The first duel is going to be January 6th against El Cap, and the second duel is going to be January 13th against Santana. So please come support us.
This will be the rest of our schedule.
Open up the champagne, pop. It's my house, come on, turn it up. Hear a knock on the door and the night begins. Cause we've done this before, so you come on in. Make yourself at my home, tell me where you been. Pour yourself something cold, baby, cheers to this. Sometimes you gotta stay in, and you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes you gotta stay in. Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house, play that music too loud. Show me what you do now. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. Morning comes.
Hey, what's up Brave? It's Marlon, your ASB president.
Hey, I'm Lean. I'm the Commissioner of Special Events.
Hey Braves, it's Noel, your ASB vice president.
We are having our snowball on Saturday, February 5th.
At our snowball dance, we'll be having catered food, drinks, DJ Edge, and much more.
It will be an indoor dance experience in an outdoor hangout spot. Tickets will be available December 5th at the finance office. See you there.
Hey Braves, I'm Charlene and I'm Commissioner Spirit.
I'm Emily and I'm Commissioner of 5-Star.
A way for you to gain Spirit points, not just for yourself but for your whole class, is by using the 5-Star app.
Download the 5-Star app to stay updated on school events such as Spirit Days, dances, and much more.
Remember to follow our Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok at ECBASB.
The Golden Apple recipient speaks multiple languages.
Hi, my name is Evelyn.
I'm Ruth.
I'm Paulina.
And I'm Anaya. And we're representing the girls basketball team.
We're playing against Escondido today at 6:30.
Our next home game is Monday, December 20th against Patrick Henry.
Make sure you come out and support the team. We hope to see all of you there.
And this is the rest of our schedule.
Hey, I'm Alan Freeman.
And I'm Daniel Duarte.
We are representing the boys basketball team.
We're playing against Crawford today at 7:30 p.m.
Our next home game is tomorrow at 6 p.m. against Castle Park.
Make sure you come out and support the team.
We hope to see all of you there.
Ready? All right, 3, 2, 1, go. They both made it first. They both made it. They're slowing down. They're slowing down. Hey, not bad, not bad. How many did they get? You got 7 total. 7 total. Let's do it. All right, 3, 2, 1, start. Oh, he's baseball. He was throwing them. There's 2. There's another one. I don't think baseball is your sport. Oh, you made 1. Hey, good try, effort. They're still growing, haven't hit puberty yet. 5, 3, 2, 1, start. I don't think anyone is, still 0. Last 1. Last 2. Miss. Break 3. 4. 5. Oh, they got 8. All right, 3, 2, 1, start. He made the first one. I count 3, 4. I think that's 6. Hey, they are tied with the sophomores. The sophomores and juniors are tied. 3, 2, 1, start. Oh! He's going for the hardest hole for some reason. Damn! I think we got it. We got 10 seniors won! Juniors in first place, sophomores and juniors tied for second place, and freshmen in last place.
Hey, I'm Stevana Sliwa.
And I'm Rita Youssef.
And we are representing the girls soccer team.
Our next game is an away game on December 16th at 3:30 against Preuss High School.
Our next home game is January 6th at 4 o'clock against High Tech San Diego.
So make sure you come out and support our team.
We have high expectations for this season and hope to make it to playoffs once again.
And this is the rest of our schedule.
Hey, I'm Juan Talo, and we're representing the boys soccer team. We're playing against Foothills Christian today at 5:15 at Parkway Middle School. Our next home game is December 14th against Crawford High at 6 p.m. Make sure you come out and support the team. We have high expectations this season and hope to make it to playoffs again. And this is the rest of our schedule.
The Golden Apple recipient coaches of sport.